I know people at solo line lo government too all need law. Understand him. This la problem ma affect him. You me all get that. So, like for example, and this problem, it started in 2023, or maybe even further back in 2022. In 2023, most provinces and agencies were not paid what was budgeted in the 2023 budget. And for most of the provinces, we received the monies for 2023, the balance of the payments, in January 2024. So the monies that we received in January of last year were in fact funding for the previous year. Okay, for this year, Mr. Deputy Speaker, Acting Speaker, for this year, in the case of ECP and many provinces, the last time we received any of the budgeted funds was in May.